Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Now this is a video on the page header sections of the Astra Pro theme. Now what is a page header? Well, if you're running a blog using Astra Pro theme, or let's say you're running a special offer, or you want to add something to the top of the page, then this is the best tool to do it. So let's take a look at this blog post. Now this is a blog post, and let's say I don't want my headline to appear like this, but rather I want that there should be a whole big picture here, and then there should be title on the top and these things, or permalink, or this stuff. So in order to achieve this, there is a default functionality in the Astra Pro plugin which you can use to achieve this. So I'll tell you how to do it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to your blog's dashboard, and then here you have to go to appearance and then click on Astra options. Now here you'll see a lot of options which are available only to the Astra Pro users. Make sure you have an active license of the Astra Pro theme, then only you are able to use this feature. Now you'll see this option here, page headers. So let's click on this. Now once this is activated, you just have to click on the settings icon here and then click on add new. So now once you're in this page, you have to give your layout a title. Now once you've given it a name, you have to select the layout. So there are three types of layout. One is center aligned, in which all the information will appear one after another. This one is inline, that means information will align. This one is inline. In this, information will come something like one thing is here and second thing is here. And this is no page header, in which there will be no page header on that page. So now how to use it? Well, let's say I just click on publish, and then I go to this page and then I refresh it, and you'll see that nothing happens. The reason for this is that we haven't set its visibility. So let's go to display rules and then display on entire website. Let's click on update. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a detailed overview of all of this stuff, but for now I'm just going to show you the use of it so that you can get a better idea. So as you can see that the featured image was shifted to the top, and we can see this title here. So that's how you can make use of this feature. Now let's get back to page header, and I'll tell you about all of these things one by one. So the next thing is display breadcrumb. If you don't know what breadcrumb is, then breadcrumb is actually the location of your page on the website. So let's go to this and then click on refresh, and then you'll see a breadcrumb will appear here. So home 2020 January 30 dog treats and snacks what's healthy, and they all are clickable links. So if I go to any one of these, it will take me to that page. So if I click on this, it will take me to all the posts which are published in the January month. So I hope you're getting an idea of how permalink works. So I hope you're getting an idea of how this breadcrumb works. Now then you can change the text color. I don't need to do it right now, but I hope you're getting an idea that you can change this white to anyone. You can change the colors of breadcrumbs as well, and then if you want to change the size, then you can do that. You can make it full screen, you can make it custom size. This whole thing will be changed according to that. Then there is background color. So as you can see that we have selected a background color, but it's not displaying. The reason for that is that we have added our featured image. So in order to display this color on the top of that, you just have to click on this one, and then let's click update, and then go back to our page and click on refresh. And as you can see that a good grayish overlay has been added to the featured image on the top. So that's how easy it is to use. Now there is this option, override this image with the featured image on individual page and post. So if you want, you can also add a background image. Just in case your blog post don't have any featured image, then this image will be used. So all of these functionalities are available. You can even make this parallax, and then click on update. and I'll refresh it, and you'll see how parallax works. So once the image is added, parallax works something like this. So you can see that the image is moving at a different pace than this thing here. So you can also add parallax effects. Now I hope you gotten an idea of all of these stuff. Now let's go to this one. So if I click on inline and update it, you'll see that stuff is coming here as well as here. So this is for different type of blocks, for different type of information. Now there is no page header, in which there will be nothing displayed. Now you might be thinking that why is this required, like you don't need to have a no page header, you can just disable this option on that particular page. Well, yes you can, but just in case you are not able to do it from there, you can just select a different header so that it doesn't give you issues in different type of environments. Now let's select this one again, and then go to site header. So if you want to display main menu merged with site menu, then also you can display it. So let's click on update, and I'll show you how does it disappear. So you can see that this whole thing has become one now. So on every page your featured image will be mixed with the top, and it will look really wonderful. The main menu will look something like this attached to the featured image. So this feature is really beautiful and wonderful. Now you can see that you can select a different logo for page header because there is this transparency effect and all of this. So if you want to do that, you can use it. Then you can change the background overlay color from here. You can change the border, you can add the border. In fact, if you want, you can add a border here and then give it a color. So let's try this out. So as you can see that the border is added here on the top and it looks great. So this is how you can make use of all of these features. Now if I go below, I'll see more options here, like you can change the color of the menu, background color of the menu, you can select a different primary menu. So many things are available if you just want to customize any particular blog post. Let's say you create a blog post related to food, and this is a multi-niche blog in which you can create posts on multiple niches. Then for all those posts which are related to food, you can select different type of page header. For all those posts related to movies, you can select different type of page header. So this is great for affiliate websites where you can have multiple type of affiliate products and create different type of menus. You can have different type of posts for each one of them. Now let's talk about display rules. So if you want to display it on entire website, you can enable it. If you want to display it on all posts, just the blog part of your website, because right now it will also appear on these pages like who we are, about us, and all of these pages will also have this feature. So if you want, you can just pick those things where your page header should be displayed. So you can select, you can add more pages, you can select different pages. If you want to add it to the entire website and you just don't want to display it on a particular page, then you can just add that exclusion rule and add that particular page here. So this is a great tool for all of those people who are looking for such customizations in their website, and it's easy to handle as well. Now if you want, you can also restrict it by the user rules. So you can make use of this feature as well, that only those people will see it who are logged in, only those people who will see it who are logged out. So for membership stuff and these also stuff, you can also do that. Once you have done all of these changes, you just have to click on this update button here, and everything will be reflected back to your website. So I hope you have gotten an idea of how you can use the page header feature in the Astra Pro theme to add customized header to the website of yours. So I hope this video helps you to customize your blog better in the Astra Pro theme. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.